Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another super exciting of GB's spectacular unboxing adventures, where you never know what I'm gonna unbox. Could be a surprise. You never know what kind of box I'm gonna open. Could be cardboard, plastic, wood, metal, anything. And it's a no beer edition. You got a nice ice-cold bottle of Dad's Racinette. Oh, French. Old-fashioned Racinette. Root beer. Root beer is good. Cheers, root beer ears. Tasty. I like it. So today we've got a metal box. It's 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches by 6 inches and currently weighs 400 grams. It's got all kinds of colors on it: red, green, black, blue, brown, and it's made of metal. Looks like this. Nielsen's Crispy Crunch. It's a reusable tin. It's a tin box. And it looks like that. And you would think that there would be some kind of Crispy Crunch chocolate bar treats in there. But I can guarantee there isn't, because I refilled this box. But there are treats in here. Do you want to see? Because I want to see. Oh my God! That's just fucking amazing. Packages of something. Packages. Woo! Now the box is empty. And what are these packages? Fire Chews. 100 milligram THC candies. Oh, cannabis. Grape flavor. Grape flavor. What is this? Black cherry. Same, 100 milligrams THC. Black cherry. Grape. Black cherry. So, 6 packs of Fire Chews. Oh. Twisted extract. 80 milligrams THC indica. Nice. And twisted extract. 80 milligrams THC sativa. Apple flavor. Well, I think I'm gonna get pretty fucking high. But not really today. I'm only gonna get a little bit high today, because I got shit to do later on, so I'm only gonna take 40 milligrams. Which is more than the recommended dosage. But I'll do the whole package when I'm not doing something one day. That's not a problem. Wow. Which one should we try? Grape. Fuck it, let's do grape. First, a little more Racinette. Fuck, that's good. What a nice box, eh? Full of really good treats. We can get fucking high. Hello? Anybody in here? Smells grapey. Grapey. Doesn't come open very easily. I mean, there's 5 in a pack. 10 milligrams each. Sticky. And they look like this. One. Grapey. Stuck together. Or no one. Right on. There you go, bitches. I'll probably be back in about an hour. I'll be high. I want to do the whole pack. Not today. Got shit to do. Go and get yourself some fire chews or twisted extracts. And there you go, bitches. Edible THC candies. Really good. That's garbage. Now we put them back in the box. Nice save. And fucking Johnny Bauer, eh? You guys. Woo! Keep out of children's reach. Do not allow children to have this, because it'll fuck them up. Alright, bitches. Woo! Until the next great unboxing adventures. RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. Fucking right.